Today we had a disaster day simulation. We were down here having class and there were people on the second floor and there was a tornado that came through. We were able to get into the vault for safety, but the second floor they were not, so a lot of injured people.
I think going into it, I'm just nervous. I don't really know what to expect. We've learned all this information, and now it's time to put it to the test. We have to apply it. Think quick on our feet. What do you do? How do you do it? What's best? And so it's just a little nerve-wracking, but I'm excited.
Disaster simulation was not what I pictured. It was a complete disaster, from the people that could walk to the chaos of noise to people not wanting to leave their friends in there but telling them that we had to get them to safety to help them. It was just crazy. It went fast.
I believe we were trained pretty well for this. We've had a lot of videos, instructions. At least we had a background, what to look for and what we should do with that amount of people in a chaotic environment.
I think it's good. Some of us have a little bit of medical background, some of us do not. So I think it's good for the ones that haven't been in an actual medical field to actually see something of this nature, like something that could potentially happen, but that is severely critical, that causes you to have to act very fast and really critically think.
Yeah, and living in the state of Missouri, I think this is a great simulation choice because it's very likely that at some point as nurses we could end up having to triage a tornado incident.
I would say to incoming students that this college is tough, but it's tough for a reason. You have to be able to critically think because there are people that need your help. But I wouldn't let that discourage you because your teachers are there for you and they help you through that, whether it's the first semester or the last, and you build on that.
You were the worst. We did last year.